While at CES, we stopped by our friends over at J5Create. We love those guys. This American-based company produces so many awesome products that are made here that are able to cover so many needs on the marketplace. And now they're making power banks, baby. They've got a small, cute little rectangular one with a fold-out handle that does a great job for camping. It's going to give you what you need. It's only got like one plug, multiple USBs, but it's got a good chunk of juice in it. Then they have a bigger, more heftier boy with a solid handle. That one's got multiple plugs in it. It's got a lot more juice, a lot more power. These are both available on the market. They are awesome. They're really cool, and they can even be integrated with solar panels, which they also sell. So if you want to check those out, I highly recommend going to J5Create and seeing what they've got available. They always are making new, awesome products, and we're happy to talk about them more here at CES. We'll see you guys next time.